What's up, guys? Leading in to part 2 of this video, we're installing a grill. We're getting rid of this piece of crap, and we got the new grill right here. It's a honeycomb mesh grill. It's beautiful. So we're gonna do this the hack way, which is removing the bolts from this as we remove the radiator flaps, like over here, and we're just gonna be unscrewing, unbolting, pulling out the grill, taking the new one, putting the new one here, and then bolting it back in place on the backside. So that's the goal, and hopefully we can get it done. Alright guys, got a tiny screwdriver, and this is exactly what we're installing. It's supposed to be honeycomb, but it's whatever. It's exactly the same type of design. Apparently it's just black. A little different, but time for us to get in here and start unscrewing.
Can you see everything good?
Yeah. Yeah, it's right here. This little screw right here. So this is one. That's one done. Now it's time for us to get to the top one.
Hope those are your Under Armour shorts and not mine.
Yeah, these are mine.
Better be. Don't be wearing my shit.
These are in my drawer. So.
That doesn't mean it's in your drawer. You put away the clothes, sucker.
Don't mean
Just
nothing.
saying. Make sure they're my clothes. They're sure you're not wearing my shit. Just shut off.
It'll shut off. It's still recording.
It's still recording?
Yeah.
But the screen on the back is off.
Tap the screen. Turns off.
Alright. There's your ugly mug.
Yeah. Alright, that's another one. There should be
So
one.
you got one on each side. One on the corners.
Yeah.
So one is right here. You already have the hole. If you access it from over here.
Yeah, I need a long one though. Time to go to workshop. You got the other one. It's right here. Let's see if this one is long enough. That's what she said too, but.
That's what she said?
So,
See if you're long enough?
Well, I know I'm long enough. I don't know about you.
Well, seeing as how you're carrying my jeans, I'd have to say you have nothing to worry about.
Honestly, yeah. This screw's gonna be a pain in the ass.
Of course it's gonna be a pain in the ass. Otherwise it wouldn't be mechanics. Should be a screw.
Yeah, it's a screw.
Yeah. Real simple.
But I'm trying to twist it out because I don't want it to fall. If it falls, we're screwed because I don't know where we.
No, you're not.
Ah!
Did you get it or no? I don't know. What's more time consuming?
Be quiet.
Filming you or watching you
Struggle?
use a screwdriver and struggle? There's already a hole right there. I told you. Don't mind D. He's just having one of those days. Is it gonna reach or no?
Yeah, it reaches, but I don't know where the fucking bolt's at. How's the screw?
Well, finger it out.
So what'd you do with the tow truck?
With the what?
The car. The car that was parked in front?
Oh, I freaking called up PD and told them I want this shit moved out of my yard. I gotta go to work. I got shit to do. It took them about an hour and a half, but they finally made contact with the right people and they came out and moved it. Sitting in my property, man. You gotta move. You got shit to do. It's like when we get done with this, we gotta move it outside so I can bring the van back in. Because it's gonna rain.
Swear. I need a light.
You need a light?
Yeah.
And about a light, so I stopped recording to go get you the handy dandy light, see?
And I got the screw done without you here.
Yeah,
Wow,
but see, you dropped it on the floor and then you had to go over here and try to manhandle yourself to find it. So that one is going to be a pain in the ass because you have your mounts and stuff for your radiator and your air cleaner.
Air filter.
So, your air filter rather. What did I say, air cleaner? It's been a long fucking day. Alright, so I would recommend using a, you can try with a stubby, but you may have better success with a socket, but if you can get it with a stubby, you'd be better off. Just think.
There's no way in hell. Because this thing right here shouldn't be here. Oh, it's here. Blocking. This whole panel frame right here. It's directly in front of it. I don't see a cutout.
Oh, there's not a cutout. No, there's no cutout for this one. Alright. We'll have to pause here to be continued. You can't reach it from the bottom, huh?
I mean...
I don't know if you've tried or been able to... kind of get in there. All you gotta do is break it free. And break it free and then spin it out, you'll be good to go. His partner in crime over there. Watching. You're supposed to be filming, bro. But he's like, hell no, dude, I ain't filming. You're filming. So here we go. Watching the two monkeys work. Oh, here comes the third monkey. What do you want, monkey? PC or PlayStation?
PC.
Yeah, you want to be on Dad's computer. Yeah. Why is that?
Because...
Yeah, I know why. Because it's awesome. I know. All right, you gotta do the filming. All right, let's go.
The seriousness of D'Artagnan Kobe. Watch. It's D'Artagnan Kobe. It takes out the bumper. Not the bumper, but the...
I'm not taking off this frame.
Might have to if you can't get that now. All right, now, boys, I'm gonna teach you about something right here. You talking about it? Put one of them right there. Sound like an auctioneer. I'll put this at the end as a bloopers and retarded moments with Eric Glover. Link to my channels below. Ooh, and D'Artagnan here. All right, guys. I don't know if D'Artagnan showed you, or told you, but I got the lights done. Way back there, but I'm not gonna walk all the way back there. That's pretty dope. They actually do. So yeah, I'm just waiting on him. My arm's too big to fit, but I would do it, but my arm's too big to fit, so I can't help it, man. But I'm pretty sure he showed you the whole new grill up in here. Ooh, sexy. Yeah. Feels like the aluminum. I'm replacing this one, which is a chrome version. Dude, we gotta redo your lights, bro.
I'm gonna get new ones.
Rusty. So yeah, big plans for this car, and big plans.
Alright, we're back, guys. These hefty men got the screw up while I was out socializing with my girlfriend, and she dropped me off a present for me. But nonetheless, I got a present for you guys. Time to pull out this mug out, and
You just got out here. Show your trap.
I know, right? Here, cameraman.
Give me my... Give me a small little flat screwdriver.
Stubby?
A little... well, maybe a stubby.
Do it again.
What's up, boys?
Do it again.
Flathead stubby was already out there.
Not the flathead Stubby. The regular Stubby is. Stubby. Boop!
Hey,
That's pretty sad. It's actually not. You sure? You see the short stuff? The.
Come on, you skimping whore.
It's not out here. Oh, you brought
No,
those.
there's both of them right here.
So you brought the other one out.
Yes, they're both out here. And stop leaning this down.
Push it. It's like this. It's like a pushing. You gotta push it, and then it comes up like that. You gotta push it down and then pull.
Come on, Master Chief. Get it done.
There's another tab.
Hmm?
There's another tab somewhere. Because all you're feeling is
The lips.
this.
Yeah.
You're not feeling this. So you need to find that last one.
There's another screw.
It's not a screw.
Hey, move your big one here. No, there's just one. Yeah, see, you push it down. Alright. You push it down and then it. Alright, boy.
You can do it, man.
Oh,
D-Lone. Well, it's a good thing I'm gonna be in freaking Tahoe.
Yeah, you're gonna be in Tahoe tomorrow.
Yep.
I need a short one.
Between your legs. Think our light's going dead on us, huh?
Just a little bit.
After some dirty hands later, we got that sucker off. And now, she's braless. Now we gotta maneuver this beautiful, not white, black, being onto there. It's gonna be a pain in the ass, but we got this. Long story short, we got... No, close the hood. No, lift it up. You're one real idiot.
Why?
Lift it up. Push it to the side. Do you not see this?
Oh.
I swear, if you dent in my hood, now make sure there's nothing here, okay? He slammed the hood with this in there.
Yeah, I didn't even see that.
The hell with your damn hood, dude.
It's gonna get replaced.
tools.
It's
Don't
gonna.
mess up with my tools, man.
Hey, the hood's gonna get replaced anyways.
My tools are worth more than your hood.
You sure about that, boy?
Yeah, I know it.
There's no fuck.
Anyways,
Alright, let's start up.
long story short, it's go time, baby. So we got the grill in. So next project, take care of the lights. I gotta paint that spoiler, man. But pretty soon, big things coming. We might have to wait a couple months or weeks when it comes to the next project, but
Big project.
big project. I'll keep you guys updated in the next segment, and I'll make more videos. But for the meantime, it's gonna have to wait. If you guys could please, wait, okay? Subscribe, tell your friends about me.
There's the Harley, folks.
Yeah, starting the Harley, but I'll let you guys go. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.